Feel the energy. It's around you. It's everywhere. It's in the air. Can you hear it? Now you can free it. Get in control and unleash its power. From now on, every road is possible. After all, limits exist just to be overcome. It's in the nature of things. That's why we keep pushing forward and never stop growing, so you can always aim higher. Whatever your project, we grant you maximum performance and all the support you need.
Alexa, ask my IVECO to search for a charging station nearby.
Okay, let me search for you. Here what I found. Charging station, Turin, 1.5 kilometers away. Do you want to set this destination?
Yes.
I'm sending your request to the navigation system. Have a good trip.
Drive the road of change and get ready for a fresh start. It's time to free a new energy.